Hello everyone, welcome into Selenium Python tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to implement logging in Selenium. Logging is essential for breaking your script behavior and debugging errors efficiently. So let's begin. Open PyCharm, right click on Python project, new, and then click on Python file. Enter the file name logging and then click on Python file. First thing here we need to do import the logging. First import time for adding the delays in a script, import time and input logging for generating the logs. Now import WebDriver from Selenium, import WebDriver and then import Py for locating the element from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by import by. Now set up the logging configuration. First set up the logging configuration here, logging dot basic config. Inside this we will set up the basic configuration. First we need to define the location in which we want to save the file. File name is equal to R, and here inside this code enter the file location in which we want to save the logs. Right click on Python project and then click on copy reference and copy this absolute path. After enter the file name, enter the file name. Suppose the file name is login dot log. This is the complete path, absolute path in which the logs file will generate and save the logs. Now set the logging level. Level is equal to logging dot info. After enter the path, we need to enter com. Same as well. This is the level. We want to log the info of the script. So here use logging dot info. Now set up the log format. Format and format is equal to, first we want to define the time and then level name. After the level name, define the message. Inside this double quotes, enter percent and time. Inside this round bracket, ASCII time and then S. After this, we need to find the level name. So here enter level name. Level name and then S. After this, we want to print the message. So here use message. Message and then S. Here we just define the time, level name and then message. This is log. This is basically log format. Log format. Now start the logging. Logging dot info and print some message here. Start the Selenium script. Now navigate to the URL. First we need to navigate to the URL, initialize the WebDriver here. Here enter comma here and then closing bracket here. we need to remove the spaces and error has been gone. Now, initialize the WebDriver here. Driver is equal to WebDriver dot grow. First, initialize the WebDriver and then create a variable URL. Inside this URL, enter the URL. Copy this URL and paste here. After initializing the WebDriver, we need to navigate to the URL. So here enter driver.get URL and print the URL in a log. So here use logging.info and f navigating to and curly brackets and variable name is URL. Here we just enter the URL for printing the URL in a log. Now add some wait here after navigating to the URL time dot select 3 seconds. Now create an other username variable. This is username and equal to enter the username here and then enter the password here. Password is equal to this here. We will enter the username and then enter the password. And here logging dot info and message is enter login credentials. Now we need to locate the element for username and password and then click on login button. So copy this. In previous tutorial I have explained in a detail how you can locate the element. So copy this and paste here. Here we just logging here for enter login credentials and then send as well. We can here use logging for clicking on the login button logging.info. Click on login button. So here just close the browser after clicking on the login button. So use here driver dot quit and logging dot info. Close the browser. Let's run this script and check whether the logs file are generated or not. Right click on this and then click on run logging. Chrome driver is opening. We need to enter the username and password. Here you can view it will not enter username and password. Just click on the login button. Copy this username standard underscore user and enter username here and send as well. We need to enter the password. So copy this password and paste password here. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL, enter the username and password and then click on the login button. Let's again run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to this URL, enter username and password and then click on login button. And then close the browser because here we use driver.quit. Let's check here. Login.load file have been generated here. Here you can view the execution of the time. First year, date, month and date, and then print the time. After this start the Selenium script, navigating to the URL, enter login credentials, and then close the browser. That is for today tutorial on logging in Selenium with Python. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. SK1 for more tutorials. See you in the next video.